Hello everyone, today I will show you how you can add the students input to your Microsoft Teams instead of adding them one by one. This is non-official way and you have to download this extension which you can use for your Microsoft Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Both ways it will work, but I prefer Google Chrome. You have to download this file. I will send you this file. You have to change the student's ID into emails. So how you can change students' IDs into emails? I will show you. You have to just click equal, then this cell, and at shj.ens.sch.ae. For other campuses, you can change SHJ to your campus domain. After AE, you have to add a semicolon like this, and then you can apply for all other cells. Now I have emails ready, so let us go and add the extension. So I will open Google Chrome. Then I will click here on these three dots. After that, I will go to more tools, then extensions. And then I will activate, enable the developer mode. After that, I have to load back. But this one, I have at first to unzip this file. So I have to unzip this file by extracting this file by clicking on it, then extract. So now I have this extension ready. After that, I have to go back to Google Chrome, then load back, and I will add this file. So as you can see, this is refined Microsoft Teams. Then I have to go to office.com online. And log in with my school account. After I log in, I have to go to Teams Online. So I will search for Teams Online. Then I will go to the teams which I want to add students to. So if I want to add students to So if I want to add students to this team, I have to click on these three dots, add member, and now as you can see, there is a new box will come here. So as you can see, there is a new box here. So I have to copy these emails, select them, copy, and paste them here, then bulk import, and it will add it by bulk. Okay, thank you and have a great day.